everybody, 5 full days left and we're about to head off to a place called the Elephant Gate, which is right down the south of the island. And if we have time, we might go see the big standing Buddha in the middle of the island. First, as always, when it comes to me and Christine, coffee first.
Drove to the very end of the Elephant Gates. There's nothing here really, so we're just going to turn back and go back through them. Sam have just driven 44 minutes to the very south of Koh Samui, and we've just come to the dog and cat sanctuary. We have been to the same company in the north, and we're just going to see what it's like. Maybe we can pet some animals, give a donation, and then be on our way. So we'll show you around. So we are just at the Tarnin secret Buddha garden where we've been at the beginning of our Koh Samui trip. We're just heading basically further inland from here to get to this temple, and you can actually see it from where we are, sort of the fisherman village area. You can see the temple on the hill, so we've not seen it yet, and we're coming towards the end of our time in Koh Samui, so we're excited to see it. We've come a long way already and it'll be worth it.
furthest point in Koh Samui we can get to anyway. The journey here from where we were, we probably went the wrong way, or the way that people shouldn't go, and that was probably the most stressful 20 minutes of driving through rocks, off-roading on a scooter. Yeah, very stressful, dripping with sweat. But we made it in one piece, didn't fall off. Bike still got both full tyres, which is great. The bike's probably going to want to retire after we've used it for the full month of Koh Samui. I'm just going to enjoy this view for a few more minutes and then head back home because we're both...
Thankfully we do not have to head back the way that we came. There's a road, like an actual road, all the way to where we are staying, so it won't be as traumatic as what we just experienced. Final stop on our route home is the temple to see the doggies. This is Mummy, this is Shadow, or Praduk. You good girl. You want some more food, don't you? Hello. Mummy is the mum of Praduk, and Mr. Dang or Butch is the dad. Hey!
Mr. Dumb is a random.
Successful day?
I'd say so, yeah. 3 things on our list that we ticked off, so yeah, it was good.
Elephant Gates, the dog and cat sanctuary, the pagoda,
And then
the big Buddha. Okay, 24th of July today, and we are off to a waterfall.
There's 2 waterfalls. I think they're called Namang. Is that how you say it?
Muang.
Namuang. Probably butchering the name. There's 2. There's one at the actual hub of the waterfalls, which is like a 2-minute walk from the car park. We're gonna go for a swim there. Sadly, there is elephant tracking companies at the car park, which is quite sad to see because they have big seats on them, which is really sad to see actually, compared to what we've experienced in Kerala. So that's the only downside to it, but yeah, we've been there before, we checked it out, we scoped it out, had a bit of a wander around, so I'm going to go back there today.
Got my hat on, helmet, and It is spectacular, it really is. You have to see it for yourself, Claire.
I don't know if you can hear us, but yeah, stunning. I never swam in a waterfall before, so this is like, yeah, bucket list stuff. Currently sat on a very slippery rock. Very deep actually, I'm going to take you out to the middle. Give me 1 second.
So we just spent 2 hours at the waterfall, number 1, and it was just incredible. This is a part of the elephant trekking. On our way to waterfall number 2 today, we had to set the waypoint for something called Samui home, and we'll go and check it out. Hopefully it's easy enough to find. And we were here, or at least at the parking lot.
Classic San Christine, went the wrong way, sweated out half a gallon of water for nothing. It's the thing we found in Thailand is that the signposts and the directions for places are really bad, so you kind of just have to ask, or you have to watch a YouTube video or read a website to find out which path to go down, because there's about several paths when you walk which you could go down, so you could easily go the wrong way. But thankfully we've asked somebody and we have to backtrack 2 minutes. Nothing can't be solved with a positive attitude and more water and sweat. So we just finished Namuang Waterfall 2. Yesterday we did Namuang Waterfall 1. The journey to Waterfall 1 was a lot easier. The journey to Waterfall 2 is horrendous, but the Waterfall 2 is a better view. So, good day?
Amazing.
So we're just off now, back down, which should be interesting. Off to a place in Laem Beach called Old School Pizza, or Pizza Old School. onion. Christine's gone for the old classic margarita. Best way to judge a pizza place is how good the margarita is.
Exactly.
So I've given up trying to find a good margarita here, so I've gone back to like what I like, just onions and meat. It's very hot though. I'm gonna burn my roof of my mouth, so I'm gonna give it 5 minutes. Hashtag feeling homesick, hashtag roasting it.
Sam is so clever, he's just literally got an entire roast dinner on his plate. Almost.
Pretty much. Walker family tradition, 2 potatoes, roast potatoes and mash.
Bye-bye, sausage. Just over a month, but happy that we're going to Koh Samui and then on to Koh Town to scuba dive, and then Bangkok and then the north, which we're very excited about. But basically because we've had such an amazing time on Koh Samui, really feeling very fulfilled, but also sad to leave. So we've just got to the pier and we've checked in. And they've just confirmed that there is a problem, I think either with the pier or the boat that was meant to take us. So we're going to go to Mae Nam Pier instead at 12 o'clock. So we have an hour to wait. So I think we're just going to go get a coffee now and just relax for a little bit before we actually get on the boat. Popcorn car, thank you.
She brings gifts. Iced coffee. Wee little handle.
Sweet.
A little bit. Rating out of 10?
A 6.
A 6? That's like average.
I prefer them a bit sweeter.
Classic.
But it's a 10 for the little bag.